In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Gate.io. Now, as you can see, we're here on the homepage. Let's just go over to our left-hand side of the screen where you can see security settings. Now, once you're here, we can easily see Google Authenticator under the basic section. Let's just turn that on by clicking on that turn on button beside Google Authenticator. So now we have our key. So just simply copy your key and head over to the Google Authenticator app. And here, go ahead and click on this plus button at the bottom right of your screen. Click on the enter a setup key. Create a name for this key. Enter the key and save this key to your account. Now that we have the key, I'll just wait for it to refresh. Copy, go back over to Gate.io and paste it in this section. Here, send the email code. Enter the code. Confirm both of this, and now we have our Google Authenticator turned on for our Gate.io account. And that is how you can simply set up Google Authenticator on Gate.io. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.